Click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to never miss another update.
Science has taught us that we don't need God to create a universe, that there's no evidence for God, that the specific scientific claims of those who require God disagree with empirical evidence, and it's irrational.
If the universe was brought about by an accidental collision, then the appearance of organic life on this planet was also an accident. And the whole existence of humanity was an accident too. If so, then all our present thoughts are mere accidents, the accidental byproduct of the movement of atoms. But if their thoughts, i.e. materialism and astronomy, are mere accidental byproducts, why should we believe them to be true? Do not the unbelievers see that the heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit of creation? Before we clove them asunder, we made from water every living thing. Will they not then believe? And the heaven we created with might, power, and we are expanding it. Imam Jafar as-Sadiq said, "Above all them, are atheists to be pitied, who demand to see with their physical eyes one who is inscrutable even to the intellect. This being impossible, they took to flat denial of his existence. They demanded why he cannot be encompassed within the intellect. He transcends intellect. Just as things beyond the visual field cannot be perceived by when we say that Almighty is invisible to the eyes, we mean that His immanence is too fine for the imagination and physical senses to be comprehended. Imam Ali ibn Abu Talib. He originated the creation and without any specimen, prepared by any known creator that was before him. He showed is the realm of his might, and such wonders which speak of his wisdom. The signs of his creative power and standard of his wisdom are fixed in the wonderful things he has created. Whatever he has created is an argument in his favor and a guide towards him. I bear witness that the heavens and the earth and what is between them are signs that indicate to you. And they bear witness to what you have called us towards. Everything that is a proof for you and demonstrates your lordship carries the effects of your bounties. and the marks of your administration and management.
No evidence for God, that the specific scientific claims of those who require God disagree with empirical evidence, and it's irrational.
Popular belief declares science has disproven God, ascribing divinity to nature, rendering our existence a product of chance. God is beyond the perception of our minds and beyond our imagination. The Creator is far above the created in every respect, beyond the reach of science and philosophy. He is beyond empirical evidence, not derived through an equation nor demonstrated in a laboratory. Science demonstrates the intricate complexity of His creation. His existence is abundantly manifested throughout His creation, His signs. Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth and the alternation of the night and the days are signs for those of understanding. Those who remember Allah standing and sitting and lying on their sides and reflect on the creation of the heavens and the earth. Our Lord, Thou hast created this in vain.